Early maglev systems build the base for modern high-speed trains used in advanced rail networks. The manufacturing process begins as raw materials are prepared for structural formation inside the factory system.
Heavy extrusion systems form straight aluminum beams to create the structural base for further integration.
CNC milling machines shape connection surfaces to ensure accurate alignment for structural assembly.
Completed aluminum beams are now aligned and ready for integration into the next structural assembly stage.
Friction stir welding begins as aluminum panels are secured to enable stable solid-state joining. Solid-state welding forms a continuous joint while maintaining precise flatness across the floor structure.
The completed floor platform now provides a stable base ready for further structural integration.
Vertical sidewall assembly begins as raw aluminum panels are aligned with the floor structure for integration. Solid-state welding joins vertical supports to maintain alignment across the open structural frame. The unfinished structural frame is now aligned and ready for further integration in the next assembly stage. Robotic systems begin assembling the compact nose structure of the maglev train using precise alignment control. Alignment systems position each rib section to maintain the compact dome geometry of the train nose structure. The nose structure is complete and ready for outer shell integration in the next stage of production.
Structural integration begins as raw modules align under strict engineering control.
The front module is aligned to complete the structural geometry of the train.
The raw structure is now complete and ready for outer shell integration.
Installation begins as the underbody is prepared for structural interface integration.
Drehmoment bestätigt, 17 mm Schraube festgezogen.
Alles klar, weiter zur nächsten Sektion.
These structural arms define the mechanical interface for the future levitation system.
The mechanical frame is complete, ready for the next system stage.
Magnet installation begins. Precision is critical. Air gap must remain exact. Stability depends on it.
The system is fully installed. Each module is precisely aligned, ready for levitation testing.
High-voltage cables are routed through the structure. Every path follows strict engineering control. Power routing begins inside the structure.
This internal network distributes power and control signals. It forms the core system of the train. This network forms the control system of the train. The electrical system is now fully routed across the structure. All connections are secured. The train is ready for system activation. Cooling modules are positioned within the roof structure. Precision alignment is essential for stable integration. Thermal flow is controlled through integrated cooling paths. Heat must be managed across the structure. Cooling systems are now fully integrated into the train body. The structure is ready for the next stage. Surface treatment begins with a uniform primer layer applied under controlled cleanroom conditions. Clean transitions between color zones are achieved through precise masking and controlled spray paths. Robotic coating systems complete the exterior surface to prepare the Transrapid car body for final assembly.
Vacuum systems install dark glass panels to seal the outer surface of the train body.
Inspection systems scan the surface to verify alignment and sealing across the completed train body. The exterior shell is fully sealed and prepared for final system integration. Electromagnetic systems lift the train body to establish a stable levitation gap above the guideway.
Levitation seems stable, but the dampening field is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the phase array to compensate.
Sensor systems measure the levitation gap and adjust magnetic force to maintain stable alignment during calibration.
In Germany, a new form of high-speed transport takes shape through precision engineering and magnetic levitation. The system holds stable levitation as this engineering platform moves toward future operational deployment.
NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.